Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Milanote. Figma is primarily a robust design tool, enabling teams to create and prototype digital interfaces with precision. Milanote, on the other hand, offers a versatile digital whiteboard for visual organization and brainstorming. While Figma focuses on the detailed execution of designs, Milanote excels at the initial, free-form exploration of concepts, allowing you to gather diverse media and ideas in one place. Understanding their core functions is key to choosing the right tool. Figma stands out for its unparalleled design capabilities. It provides powerful vector editing tools, enabling designers to craft intricate user interfaces and experiences. Its advanced prototyping features allow for interactive flows, simulating real user journeys. With real-time collaboration, multiple team members can edit and comment simultaneously, fostering efficient teamwork. Features such as auto layout and variants are instrumental in building scalable design systems, ensuring consistency across hundreds of screens and components, making it a go-to for professional design teams. Milanote shines as a creative canvas for ideation and organization. Imagine an infinite whiteboard where you can freely drag and drop virtually any type of content. It supports images, videos, links, documents, and even handwritten notes, making it perfect for mood boards, storyboarding, and project planning. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows for effortless arrangement and connection of ideas, helping you visualize complex concepts. It's an excellent tool for creative professionals and teams needing a flexible space to gather and organize their thoughts before diving into detailed design work. Deciding between Figma and Milanote depends on your primary need. For detailed UI/UX design, high-fidelity prototyping, and seamless developer handoff, Figma is the clear choice, offering robust tools for every stage of the design process. If your focus is on initial brainstorming, creating mood boards, gathering diverse content, or organizing project ideas visually, Milanote provides an unmatched flexible canvas. Ultimately, these two powerful tools can complement each other beautifully, with Milanote serving as the fertile ground for ideas, and Figma bringing those ideas to life with precision and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.